Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by CurlsCurls hair company, and look at me, I'm looking gorgeous, guys. This is my real hair, period. Like, this is how gorgeous I am looking. Do not talk to me, okay? If you are about to talk to me nice, because guys, I am looking great. Okay, I went from this to this, baby. I don't think you are seeing the transformation. Let me show it to you once more. I went from this to this. Okay, so this is a half wig, you guys. Literally no lace, so meaning it is beginner friendly. I am so excited, you guys. I look so gorgeous. Look at the quality, guys. This is a Kinky Blowout wig, and when you curl it, the curls are curling. Okay, like, this is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot believe this is my first time dealing with a half wig, and look at the results. So it does show that this wig is beginner friendly. So if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous half wig from CurlsCurls hair company, please do check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links. Okay, I'm looking really good. I feel so good. I don't know why I'm wearing a t-shirt. Like, I don't know why. I should be wearing a dress. I should be attending a wedding, because CurlsCurls said, baby girl, we've got you covered. Okay, I love everything about this wig, guys. I love the quality, and it is secure. It is secure. Let's get straight into today's video. So this is a beginner friendly wig. It is a half wig, and it is so soft. As y'all can see, it is giving natural hair. It is giving, I'm a natural hair babe. Okay, it is also very secure. Do not worry, this wig is not going anywhere. They actually made it very secure. And you know what, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this styling process. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course I have direct links for you guys to purchase this gorgeous wig from CurlsCurls hair company.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me.
And right here I decided to curl this wig just to see how it is going to look and hold the curl, and baby, I was really impressed. The curls are amazing. This wig is really great quality. I love it.
I've been losing sleep, to do. Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, oh. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. Oh, oh. It looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. Oh, oh. It looks like we made it.
So I tried multiple hairstyles just to see if this wig is versatile, and trust me, literally all the hairstyle that I've thought about, I tried them, I did them, and they came out very, very, very nicely. This is a 10 out of 10. So do visit CurlsCurls Hair Company, and of course I have direct links for you in the description box.
Wake me from this tree I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from CurlsCurls Hair Company. Until next time, bye bye.